Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and my guest this week is a Matchbox Pickfords Removal van. The model was introduced in 1960, first in the dark blue Pickfords color. Very soon the casting was modified, featuring a locker and a fuel cap on the side, and subsequent models were painted green. The model is based on the Guy Pickfords 4-ton lorry, which were used by the Pickfords Removal company back in the 50s and 60s. With lots of room for advertising, this model was also used for promotional means, either official with a custom paint job and decals, or unofficial where the company bought a bunch of Matchbox models and taped its own brand over the sides. This is a newer version, however it has seen a lot of action in its life. The paint is chipped and the decal on one side is completely gone. Also gone is the roll-up door in the rear, which added to the play value. This should be a straightforward restoration, so let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The Pickfords Removal van is one of the classic Matchbox models. It was based on the Guy Pickfords lorry, which was used by the removal company. This model had quite some fun in its life, resulting in chipped paint and decals and a missing roll-up door. Time to freshen up this guy for a well-earned retirement. The traffic green is very close to the original paint, and the truck received new decals and a new roll-up door. The wheels have been refreshed and the detailing makes it look like it came fresh out of the box back in the 60s. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.